Okay guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. If you guys want to figure out how to make yourself a title that you can just pull out here out of the titles tab in the edit page, just like CB Super and all those other YouTubers, how they're doing it, well then stick along. So we are going to be showing you guys how to do that in this video. So what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you don't really need your clip. You're just gonna want to make sure that you're on 4K to get the highest quality, and make sure that you're on the right timeline frame rate. So this isn't what I usually use. Usually I'll be using 30 FPS. So I can just go here, timeline, and then go here, remove timeline, done. Now I can change it. If you still didn't put anything in there, you'll be able to change it. So 30, perfect. Change, yes. Okay, now I'm going to want to just pull in here. Where is it? Effects, fusion, composition. Great. So now you're gonna make it how long you want the baseline to be. Let's say I want it to be 4 seconds, let's say. So I'm just gonna have this, and then make sure that I'm on top of it and that I pressed on it so it's sort of red, and then press fusion. Okay, awesome, we're in fusion, media out. Okay, now we're gonna want to create our title, so just press that. It's gonna be a bit weird here. Let's just drag them all here. We can do control and then zoom in with our scroll wheel that is located on our mouse. What we're going to want to do now is make sure we have that, but this isn't exactly what I want. Okay, it's just not really working out to look like I want. It's media out into the merge, whatever. So what I do want is that. Okay, that's probably how it was. I don't know. Then like that. Here, text, perfect. That's what I wanted. So you're going to want the text to go into the yellow, and then from here the square to go into the yellow of the media pool. Now in text, let's say I'm gonna want to not change anything, just call it here Fire M4. Okay, and then we're going to want to really not even change anything, just do something special, so some type of animation. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna want to do something like a zooming in. Okay, just a simple pop kind of thing. So we're gonna want to make sure that we're on the start, go like that, then go somewhere in the middle here, make it bigger, and then somewhere in the end there, make it normal. How much were we? See, at 0 is 0.08, so at the end here, I'm gonna do here 0.08. Perfect. Now that we got that, it's just gonna do our simple animation. Okay, so now though we're in the fusion page, right? And let's say we don't want to always go into the fusion page, so what do? Well, we're gonna turn this into a simple macro. So just take our Mr. Text. Okay, actually, before this, I just wanted to give you guys here a disclaimer. In this method, with just doing keyframes, what you're going to have is you need to sort of do at this exact time starting, whatever, and that's not going to work. So this will work if we just put out the start, but it won't work any other way. So we're actually going to try to not do it like this, okay? So we're gonna try to use expressions, okay? And I learned this from Mr. Alex Tech, and he did it really cool. Okay, I'm back. So I just have here 0.01 plus time divided by comp.render, pretty much the time that we're at. So if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, and then just that guy. So 0.1 plus this, wherever we are, to the power 3. Okay, so that's pretty much what I got over there, and then it just gives us a nice ease in effect over here. It's gonna work, but pretty much it works. You can see it eases in and gets larger and larger, okay? So that's the idea, and what we're gonna do now is just go and turn this guy into our amazing thingy. So obviously you can add many more stuff. So let's say we also would want to add a transform, background, color, whatever it's gonna be, effects, particles, whatever it's gonna be. So we're gonna want to select everything that we want, then right click, and then you're gonna see macro, create macro. Okay, now you might get a bit scared from this. We can even make it full screen. Okay, and then I'm gonna want to make sure we have output selected. Okay, and these are pretty much all the things that you're allowing your user or yourself or whoever it's gonna be to use. So we can do here color, green, blue, alpha, style, font, stylized text, style, all these stuff. You can give more or less whatever you really think that the user's gonna want to use, you know, it's gonna be useful. Then you should probably give it. Here you can set your defaults, okay, and then your minimum maximum. So let's say you're building a I don't know, size. Oh, we want to make sure size is, like, you don't need to, but we can. And then you can have, oh, the most your size can go is 0.5, or the most it can go is 0. Maybe if it's just 1, whatever you want. So then reset's just gonna set it back to your default. Okay, so once you finish that, just name it. Here, gonna want to text 1, whatever. And then we're gonna want to press here, file, save as. Okay, now it's gonna open up your thing here, and then you're just gonna want to go to DaVinci Resolve. Okay, and then go here. If I'm not mistaken, we must go to titles, edit titles. Perfect. Okay, so it should be this thing. You can see it here for Windows users. So you're gonna want to do that. Save. You can close this guy and then restart, because if you go here and you go to titles and we try text 1, you see it's not going to be here. So what we're going to want to do is just redo it. Okay, so restart DaVinci Resolve and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and if you go here into titles, you're just going to have here text 1. If you write it in, text 1, super easy. Now this guy might not work anymore, but we can just take out our text 1, and you can see it's just loading in, but it works. And here we can put that to the side. You can see also if we make it bigger, it's just going to adjust, which is awesome. So that's sort of the idea of this guy. It's usable, and you can also move it here and it'll still work. So if we just go like that, it's still working. So it's really cool. I really like it. If you guys have enjoyed, and let's just go to the outro. Okay guys, so I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. If you have any comments, any ideas, throw it in there. And if you have any questions, also throw it in there. Recommendations, whatever. I know that I am not a fusion boss or whatever. So the idea was just to show you guys how you guys, which are probably amazing at fusion, can make your own stuff. Also, really cool, you can send those files, which is awesome. So you can just send it and to other people, and then they can try out your titles. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and
subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.